Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So if you are unable to update your Windows 11 because of this error code, that is 0x800f0920. Now the first step is to restart your PC. Simply restart your computer, and after the system restart you can update. Still not working, go to start menu. In the search box type in services, and then click on services over here. Now find Windows Update in the list. Scroll down somewhere at the bottom, you will see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update. Set this to automatic. Click on Apply. Click on Start if highlighted. Click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update. Click on Restart. Now find Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Make a double click. Again set this to automatic. Apply. Click on Start if highlighted. Now make a right click and then click on Restart. Find App Readiness, make a double click on App Readiness, set this to again automatic. Click on Apply, click on Start if highlighted. Click on OK, make a right click, click on Restart. Now once this is done, you can go back to Windows Update, and then if you see retry option, you can hit retry. Try to install the update once again. Still not working. Go to Windows Update, and then over here you can see pause update option. You can click on pick a date and you can select any date. And once the update is paused, click on resume updates and then you can check. Still not working, run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in CMD in Windows search box and then make a right click on command prompt app. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this will run a scan. The scan will take some time. Once the scan is complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete over here, then run the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete, then restart your PC. After the system restart, you can check. Now if the scans are stuck, you can follow the next step. Next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Open this link in a browser. The link is provided in the video description. It will take you to Microsoft website. Now over here you can write down the name of the update. For example, whichever update you are unable to install. This is just an example. You can write down the name of the update over here and then click on search. Now type in WINVER in Windows search box. Click on WinVer run command. Check your Windows version. In my case, it's version 25H2. Now go to Windows settings, go to system, and then scroll down, go to about option, and then check the system type. For me, it's 64-bit operating system. So for me, it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me, this is the right one. Now click on download, and you can click on the update which you are unable to install. Click on that update. This is just an example. And let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, follow the on-screen instruction. You can install this update manually and then restart your PC once done, and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, and then go to Advanced option, go to Recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files, and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once done, restart your PC and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now, and then you can run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Click on OK, and then click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here. Click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save. Let the download complete. It will take some time. Once the download is complete, click on finish over here, and then let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once closed, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. Now over here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, you can log into the computer and then you can update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install the update successfully, and you should not receive this error code anymore. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.